Hi, I'm Kate Porras with RE/MAX 4000 and welcome to 377 Blue River Drive. This is a lovely home in the highly popular River Trail neighborhood in southeast Grand Junction. All of these homes are E-Star rated, the solar panels come with it, and there's so much to see inside. Let's take a look. When you enter this home, you immediately step into this nice sized living room. They have a very large sectional here, and there's plenty of room for more furniture and that big screen TV. From here you walk into the kitchen and the dining area. Nice island, granite countertops. All of these stainless steel appliances will stay with the home, including this great refrigerator, and there's space for a nice table as well. The upstairs space is fabulous. There are 3 bedrooms plus this great bonus room. We're going to start in here first. It's really large. The reason it's not a bedroom is because it doesn't have a closet, but what it does have is this great covered balcony, really large. Imagine having some furniture out here. You have great views of the Colorado National Monument, a nice place to sit and relax. The primary bedroom is also generously sized. You could put a king-size bed in here and still have room for other furniture. And the ensuite bathroom is nice and spacious. You have a tub, a walk-in shower, dual sinks too. And one more thing about the primary bedroom, the beautiful views of the Grand Mesa. Finishing up the space on this level, 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. The backyard is a good size and there's lots of options for making this your dream space. Right now it's a bit of a blank canvas, but imagine you have this covered patio to sit under, and there's a second covered space here as well, great for a grill. There's also room for RV parking on the side of the house on site, but the HOA does offer spaces for homeowners to park RVs in as well. Something else about this property is its great location, especially for people who like to be outdoors. You're really close to the Riverfront Trail and the Corn Lake State Park, easy access to Highway 50 and up to I-70 if you just jump on 32 road. And don't forget the Energy Star features I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Solar panels are owned by the HOA, so you don't have to do any of the maintenance, yet you reap those rewards. There's also things like low E windows, extra insulation, and other energy-saving features. For more information about this home, give me a call at 970-985-8555 or visit kateporras.com.